One of Jung's core principles was individuation. This is a hugely complicated idea, but in short, individuation is the process of a person synthesizing the many aspects of the mind into a complete, balanced, and honest human being. We should also understand what individuation is not. It is not rejecting all outside forces, but knowing what to do with them. It is not acting on all of one's impulses, but understanding why they occur. The individuation process should not be confused with rather shallow concepts of self-help. Through individuation, as author Bud Harris notes, the person does not seek to merely have more positive thoughts or right some self-prescribed wrong and move on with life. Individuation is truly, meaningfully being yourself. It is both a transformation and an unending process. We are forever caterpillars, forever cocooned, and forever butterflies, all at once. In our early childhood, we begin to make decisions and form values. We arrive, knowingly or otherwise, at conclusions about who we should be, how we should go through life, and what we should strive for. This often involves embracing certain qualities and trying to destroy others. There's not much we can do about this. Formative years are formative years. But when we get deeper into our lives, it becomes clear that this process, having taken place so early, is a problem. We reached conclusions about ourselves and our life before ourselves have lived. Imagine a person tells you to get ready for a hike in a faraway land. Your first question would, of course, be, where is this land? What is the weather? What is the topography? Are we hiking the mountains of Appalachia, the snowy forests of Sweden, the savanna of Africa? The person refuses to answer, but informs you to pack for the hike regardless. Of course, the result would be catastrophic. This is a microcosm for our lives, for so much of our development happening before we have truly experienced any part of the world. So one way or another, it all implodes eventually. This can manifest in many ways. Perhaps a person goes through a midlife crisis, or an individual may feel as if they have it all. Money, a family, a career, etc., but still find themselves profoundly unhappy. It could even occur quite early in life. A college graduate earns their degree and enters the workforce, only to feel tremendously unsatisfied with their choices. Choices which the world told them were objectively correct.